Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming an integral part of business processes. Many financial service experts are now looking at ways of where AI can help their organizations. Today, we have Lucas who will be giving us a rundown of how AI can be used within banks. Lucas, thank you for joining me today.
Thanks, Rose. Glad to be here.
Yes. So what are the examples that you see where AI can improve finance?
Yeah, banks are already using AI at a lot of places. For instance, they are implementing chatbots and they are using AI to improve their processes.
But I would like to zoom in a little bit more into the topic of how can AI be used within credit risk management. As being a specialist today, what do you think are the examples or areas where AI can make a difference?
Yeah, well, AI can be used at any point in the credit risk management process where banks have to make intricate decisions or difficult decisions, or where they're using large data sets. And with respect to that last, the first thing that comes to mind is the use of AI in the credit risk modeling processes.
Okay, so if banks would like to explore AI in credit risk management, where should they start?
Yeah, well, first they should start with the data, because it all starts with quality data, which, by the way, is more your expertise than mine.
Yes, definitely. What I can see is, for example, the use of AI in data management and data quality. For example, AI deep learning, which is used to automate a large part of modeling processes, as well as a wide range of machine learning tools, which can be used to analyze structured and unstructured data to improve data quality and analytical abilities, which then allows banks to improve or identify risk in a more effective and timely manner.
Yes, I agree. And you can use those principles as well on other parts in the credit risk lifecycle. So if we're looking at clients that are in trouble with their repayments, then you see that banks have specialist processes and spend a lot of time and effort making decisions, helping the clients to recover. And AI can also be used there, improving the decisions that the bank makes.
So we see a lot of potential for AI on this field. So do you have some examples where Capgemini helped their clients?
Yes, indeed we have. We have used natural language processing to extract data from things like financial statements or income statements. That clients have sent in, and then using that data in the credit modeling processes. And we've also used artificial intelligence in improving the quality of data.
But there are also some good reasons to be skeptical about it. So what do you think are some of the pitfalls or how to avoid them?
Yeah, I can really understand that banks can be hesitant to apply AI, allowing robots and machines to take very important decisions for their clients. And also the European Union recognizes this, and they are working on a legal framework to capture those risks, the ethical risks, the privacy, and all those considerations. So as Capgemini, we are used to work with new regulation and helping banks to implement this new regulation, so we can help banks there as well. So, which will mitigate the risks that the bank will see.
Okay, and how do you think Capgemini can offer their clients?
Yeah, so well, as you explained, we can use AI in getting the quality data that they need. And we can use natural language processing by extracting data that they can use in their processes. We can use AI to improve the data quality. We can also help them making sure that they apply the regulation as it's intended.
Yeah, I can agree that there are many benefits that come with the use of AI in credit risk management. For example, the reduction in IT overheads, an increase in process performance, and a reduction in the amount of time and effort necessary that you have to spend.
Yes, I fully agree.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for your insight, Lucas.
Yeah, thank you, Rose. My pleasure.
Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about this topic, please feel free to reach out to us.